already had some going home. I understand, but I appreciate Mr. Dr. GVR sir to culture you for a betterment. Okay, this is a very good opportunity that I did not find in my schooling world. I really want my kids also to be added, though they are in I appreciate Dr. GVR to give an opportunity. And one more thing is ನಮ್ಮ ಯುವಜನತೆಗಳನ್ನ ಬೆಳೆಸುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ I myself, when I cultivate my twin kids, it was so difficult. But ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ this culture etiquette ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ, ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಗುರಿನ ಮುಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಈ ಪಾತಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂತ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅದು ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಥಿಕಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ತಾಯಿಗೆ she is a o'clock free paid worker for you all, which you don't recognize, which he made it a very clear point for me. Second thing is that ಈ ಒಂದು growth, ಈ ಒಂದು branch actually it has to grow across the world rather than only in India. In other I would like to give some connection with the World Driving Organization to some continents, to Mr. Doctor. So next version we will have a discussion later. We will do goodness, and please concentrate your studies and coming up. All the time I keep telling her also, how did you grow? I used to work for petrol bunk when I didn't have father, and I cultivated myself. Being working and NMT ಆಗಲಿ ತೈಲೆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ CN ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಕೂಡ ಅಲಿ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ನಾನೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1989 ರಾಜೀವ್ ಗಾಂಧಿಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೇಡಿ ಆಫೀಸರ್. So much in those age, but I really envy India city opportunity. Kalpobedi, please come up. We will all do together something and grow together.